Hey, thanks for choosing case-by-case training to help you reach your health and fitness goals. I wanted to take just a couple of minutes to explain how everything works and to make sure that you're set up for success. I'll explain everything that's available to you and give you an overview of all the tools that you have access to and how I can help you to reach your goals and get results. But first, there's just two things that I'm asking of you. The first is commitment. As long as you continue to show up and stay consistent, you will get results. Now, I don't expect perfection, but more important than perfection is that you just do not give up. The second thing is communication. Communication with your coach is going to be one of the most powerful tools that you have available to you. If you communicate and stay committed, you will get the results. Now let's go into the app so I can go over a few things with you there. The first thing to recognize is that there are two levels of app access. There's the basic membership level, which includes any free trials as well, and then also the premium membership level, which includes the Healthier Family and one-to-one customized coaching. Both basic membership and premium membership levels will have things to do today, my progress, and my achievements all on their main dashboard. However, under things to do today, for the basic membership level, they will either have nothing scheduled or may only see track body stats. Whereas the premium membership level will have their customized daily nutrition goal that has been entered for them based on their goals. They'll have their customized workout scheduled, and they'll also have customized daily habits. Now, basic members can still schedule things into their calendar. However, they will have to do it manually. So here are a few of the things you can schedule as a basic member. If you click the blue icon with the plus sign, you can click on workouts and pick a workout from your library to schedule. There's another way to schedule workouts though that we'll cover in a second. The next thing you can schedule are activities. These are just a list of several different types of cardio activities. Even though you don't have a customized nutrition goal, you can still track your daily meals. Once a meal is logged, it'll show up on your main dashboard. The next thing you can schedule are progress photos and of course body stats. You are also able to track sleep. However, if you have a smartwatch, you can click the three dots in the bottom right. You can scroll down and find your smartwatch and connect it there, and it will automatically track things like sleep, steps, and resting heart rate. Both basic and premium members have access to this. The calendar icon is just a bird's eye view of your calendar that you can scroll through to see what future things you have coming up or what things you've done in the past. Next is the kettlebell icon, which is where all your workouts are stored, and it's the easier place to schedule your workouts from. The first thing you'll notice is a list of links. These are simply helpful resources that you can view if you'd like. However, the workout app video tutorials link is a playlist of videos that go more in depth over each section of the app. So if you ever have any specific questions about the app, this is probably where you'll find the answer. You can also, of course, always message your trainer by clicking the icon in the bottom right below the plus sign, and you can either type a message, hold the microphone on the right-hand side to record an audio message, or you can also click the camera in the bottom left to send a video or photo, which can be helpful for form feedback. The next difference between the basic membership level and the premium membership level is found within the workout library. If you scroll down, you'll notice several pre-built workout programs that you can choose from. However, for the basic membership level, the first set of workouts below the links are the ones that were selected for you based on the answers that you gave when you signed up. This is still a pre-built program, but it's likely going to be the one that matches best for you. Whereas for the premium membership, this is where you'll find your customized program that was built for you specifically based on your equipment, time requirements, goals, and any limitations you might have. Premium members' workouts will also be updated each and every week by their trainer based on what they did the previous week. So your reps, weight, and everything that you should be doing each week will automatically be increased for you. Now, as a basic member, if you want to schedule a workout, simply click on it and then hit schedule at the top right, and you can select the days that you want that workout to appear in your calendar. Make sure to hit save in the top right, and now it'll appear on your main dashboard on the day that it's scheduled for, as well as in your calendar. Premium members do also have the capability to schedule workouts if they would like, in addition to the workouts that will already be scheduled for them. If you ever notice a little number on your trainer in the bottom right below the plus sign, that means they've messaged you, so make sure to click on it so you don't miss anything. The last thing only applies to premium members, and that's the star icon next to the kettlebell. This icon only appears on the premium dashboard, so basic members don't have to worry about it. This lists all of your daily custom goals, as well as any long-term custom goals that you would like to add as well. All right, that's it for this video. Remember, if you have any further questions, go to the kettlebell and click on the video tutorials link, or simply message your trainer and they'll be happy to help. All right, time to get to work.